Example 1. Question 2. Read about a short announcement or change that is happening on campus. You have 45 seconds to read it. You may start reading after the beep. Boop! "45 seconds. 55 seconds.
Now listen to two students discussing the letter.
Did you see this letter?
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't agree. I wouldn't change it.
Why not?
Well, nobody is really going to be looking at the view.
Probably not. They'll be watching the stage.
Exactly. They'll be sitting down watching the ceremony. Besides, they can always check out the campus after the ceremony. Lots of people do that.
That's true. But there are other advantages. Like she said, more space would be great.
I don't see the problem there either.
So you think we should limit the number of guests?
I don't think that's necessary. Our class isn't that big. There's plenty of room for everybody to get tickets for their immediate family and friends. Plus, the university broadcasts the event and shows it on TVs around campus, so anyone else who wants to watch the event can.
Oh, I didn't realize that. So, I wouldn't have to invite some of my friends from the dorm, because they could just go to the student center or something and watch it live on TV.
Right.
Some of them might even prefer that to sitting in the hall.
Yeah, so there's definitely no space issue.
Now, summarize what you have read and listened to. You have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. Beep. "25, 30, 30. You now have 60 seconds to give your answer. Please begin speaking after the beep. Beep. "50, 60 seconds. 65. Listen to the response. The letter proposes that the graduation ceremony be held outdoors on the lawn, so that people will be able to enjoy the beautiful view of the campus, and there will be more space for people to attend. The man in the conversation disagrees with the proposal. First, the guests will only watch the ceremony instead of the view. They can check out the campus view after the ceremony. Second, the class isn't that big, so there's plenty of space for people to invite their immediate family and close friends. Besides, the university will broadcast the show live on TV from the campus. So, the guests could just go to the student center and watch the show. Therefore, the man disagrees with the proposal. Example 2. Question 2. Read about a short announcement or change that is happening on campus. You have 45 seconds to read it. You may start reading after the beep. Boop! "45 seconds. 55 seconds.
Now, listen to two students discussing the letter.
Hey, did you see this letter?
Yeah, I really hope the university listens to her.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, well, I think it'd work the way she's hoping, which would be great because it's really a problem on campus right now. It's a big campus. The academic buildings are far away from the dorms, so lots of people drive to get around, and the roads get really busy.
Hey, but don't you drive pretty often?
Yeah, that's true. I guess I'm part of the problem. The traffic is so bad, it's actually pretty stressful. But right now, I don't have a better option.
So you'd try it?
Yeah, and if lots of people did, the traffic would be way better. Plus, like the letter says,
What?
well, I'm pretty busy with my classes and assignments and part-time jobs, so I don't have enough time to go to the gym or go jogging or anything.
Right.
But if I used a program like this, then it would already be a part of my day. It would just happen while I was going to and from classes. I wouldn't have to set aside extra time for it.
Yeah, that would be good. You're right.
Now, summarize what you have read and listened to. You have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. Beep. "25, 30, 30. You now have 60 seconds to give your answer. Please begin speaking after the beep. Beep. "50, 60 seconds. 65. The letter proposes that the university designs a program for students to have the opportunity to borrow university-owned bikes free of charge if they agree to exercise more and believe this would make the campus more attractive to prospective students. The student agrees with the proposal for a few reasons. First, this proposal would reduce car traffic on campus. Since a lot of people are driving, the traffic is very bad. Next, the bike borrowing program would solve the problem of traveling long distances between academic buildings and make it easier for students to get around the campus. Finally, the program would provide the opportunity for students to get exercise every day without the need to set aside extra time for it. Therefore, the student shows approval for the new suggestion. Thank you so much for watching and practicing your English with me. If you found this video helpful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe. The channel's growth will keep me motivated to make more content for you in the near future. Also, if you would like some help with your English, if you need coaching or English lessons, I'm available for one-on-one private lessons. You can click on my email in the link in the description box. Thank you again for watching, and if you have any comments, drop them below. Thanks again.